Welcome to our farm. Before you go in the farm, leave all your things with me. I'll take care of them. It's so hot here, they don't even put ice in my water. Anya, it's a goat! Yeah, you're right, Elsya. Elsya, don't get too close. You know goats eat everything. Ah! He wants my hair for his beard! Hey, Anya, let's see if he understands us. The floor's lava! The goat is really good at playing the floor's lava. Let's play the floor's lava again. This is really fun. Let's play it again. Floor's lava! Wow, he did it again. Hey, girls, where are you going? Mommy, can I please have a coin? I want to put it in. No, I want to put it in. Me. I want to put it in. I think we have enough animal food. Let's go. There you are, girls. Where did you go? Thank you for getting food for me. Oh no, Anya, he's up the food. Don't worry, girls, I can still eat it. Look, Elsya, he's so smart. Girls, wanna play the floor's lava again? Let's do it. Ready? Floor's lava! Great job, goat! We have to go see the other animals now. I had so much fun playing with you girls. We had so much fun playing with you. I now will miss you. I will miss you too.
Oh no, those girls are coming over here. I really hope they don't notice my wig.
Look, Elsya, I never seen a llama before.
I wanted to let you know, those two girls over there, they're coming over here, and they're gonna mess our wigs up.
Thanks for letting me know. Wow, that llama's drinking so much water. How much can llamas drink? I love to talk with you girls, but I have to take care of something. What? I hope nobody saw that. Anya, look at her teeth. Looks like she doesn't brush her teeth. Oh no, they're looking at my teeth. Let's get to work, Elsya. Thank you, girls. Oh look, this one's playing hide and seek with us.
I'm not really playing hide and seek with you girls. I just don't want you to know I have a wig on.
Awesome! I never touched a wig before. Can I please touch it? Please? Me too.
I'll let you play with my wig, girls. First, let me go take care of something.
What? Wow! Look how big that pig is! Hi, pig!
I'd really like to talk to you girls, but right now, I think I had a little too much for lunch. So I'm I'm just gonna go on in here and take a long nap. Looks like all that lunch made me too big to get in here. I really think I'm stuck. I can't move. I'm really stuck.
We're coming to help. Puss, Elsya, puss.
Hang in there, girls. Just keep pushing.
Puss,
A
Elsya,
little
puss.
while longer. I'm gonna make it. That's it. That's it. Thank you, girls, for helping me. Now I'm home sweet home. Now it's time for my nap. Thanks a lot, girls.
You're welcome. Bye. Bye, Piggy. Elsya, those cows are so big. I love the color.
Thank you for saying that, girls. That was really nice.
You're welcome. Bye. Look, Anya, it's a pony. Look, it's touching my hand and it really tickles. Wow, a second. Elsya, what is that? I know what it is. I know what it is. It's a rooster. You're right. Let's follow him. Wow, a turtle! Hi, horsey. You are a very big horse. And beautiful, too. It's too bad we have to go. Bye, horsey. We'll miss you. We'll miss you. Bye.